Good morning, all of you. I welcome you to this channel. Part 7 Scout Uniform English Medium. Scout Uniform. The meaning and necessary of the uniform. First, let us see what is the meaning of uniform. Uni, one, form, shape, uniform, one shape. So, uniform means one shape. A uniform is a type of clothing worn by members of a movement while participating in that movement's activity. So, uniform means one shape of dress code will be followed by all the members. When gathered together, it is called uniform. Okay, what is the necessary and what is the use? It indicates they belongs to scout movement. Here, because of the scout uniform indicates that we all are belongs to scout movement. And one another thing, it creates a sense of equality. There is no any partiality, different types of religious and economic status, like a rich, poor, something. So, the uniform creates sense of equality. Now let us see dress code. First, shirt. A steel grey shirt with the two patch pockets, with the shoulder strap, with the half or rolled up sleeves. Sleeves may be turned down in cold weather. The color of the shirt is steel grey. Color of the shirt is steel grey. And it should have, see, this is the patch pocket. What is this? These are called patch pocket. One, and here this side, left side one and right side one, two patch pockets are there. And with shoulder strap, see this one, shoulder strap. With the half sleeve or rolled up sleeve, the rolled up sleeves may be turned down in cold weather. Now we know about shirt. Next, about shorts or trousers. Navy blue shorts or trousers shall be worn. What is the color of shorts or trousers? Navy blue. Navy blue shorts or trousers shall be worn. But at the time of Rashtrapati Scout testing camp and Rashtrapati Award rally, trousers are compulsory. Okay. Trousers shall neither be loose fitting nor tight fitting and shall have two side pockets and one back pocket. See, this is the trouser, front side and back side. Side, two pockets. Right hand side and left hand side, two pockets. And back side, one back pocket. Next, footwear. Footwear, black shoes, leather or canvas with the laces may be worn. There should be laces. Next, socks or stockings. We have seen that black shoes. Then what is the color of socks? It is also black. Black socks or stockings may be worn. Stockings should be rolled down below the knees with the green garter tabs, that is 1.5 centimeter. Visible outside stockings will be worn with the shorts only. That garter tabs, 1.5 centimeters garter tabs should be visible outside. And stockings will be worn with the shorts only. For the trousers, we should not use stockings. We have to use black socks. Okay. Color of the pant is the navy blue and color of the shoe black and color of the socks or stockings are black in color. When you are in uniform, you have to collect these are the things: beret, cap and cap badge, goggle, grey Nylax belt with the official brass buckle of the Bharat Scouts and Guides supplied by the National Association, black socks, black shoes, leather or canvas with laces may be worn. Other than that, 3 meters rope, lanyard with a whistle. Okay. Next, badges. What are the badges we should wear? The first one, membership badge in the center of the pleat of the left pocket of the shirt. World Scout badge in the center of the pleat of the right pocket of the shirt. Tamil Nadu badge, both the sides of the shoulder. Its measurement is 6 to 8 centimeter and 1.5 centimeter width. Length is 6 to 8 centimeter and width is 1.5 centimeter. Then Bharat Scouts and Guides stripe above the right pocket of the shirt. Above the right pocket of the shirt, size 11 centimeter length and 2 centimeter width. So these are the common badges. Next, proficiency badges and other badges we can see. See, this is the right sleeve of Scout shirt. Here, little curve, red color border. The letters are in red and little curve. Shoulder badge. This is called shoulder badge. What is it called? Shoulder badge of 6 to 8 centimeters length and 1.5 centimeters and little curve. Next, ambulance badge. Then, Dvitiya Sopan, 2 proficiency badges. In Dvitiya Sopan, compulsory, we have to earn 2 proficiency badge, and in Tritiya Sopan, 3 proficiency badge. What are they? Swimming or 1 proficiency badge. And in Group A, 1 proficiency badge, and in Group B, 1 proficiency badge. So totally 3 proficiency badges in Tritiya Sopan. And you can earn some other proficiency badges also. See here, totally 9 badges are given. So totally here if you see now, this one ambulance man badge and 5 badges. So what are these remaining? So remaining are other proficiency badges. If you earn other proficiency badges, you can stitch here. So right sleeve of Scout hat, that is right sleeve, you have to stitch only Dvitiya Sopan, Tritiya Sopan and the other proficiency badges. Next, let us see about left sleeve of Scout shirt. The same already we have seen. Unit serial number and name with a little curve, red color. Letters are in red color. Okay, that is called shoulder badge. Next, ambulance badge, shoulder stripe. What's called a shoulder stripe? See, 5 centimeter length, 5 centimeter width. So it is a square shape. Okay, 3 colors are there. The top color and bottom color. Width is 1.5 centimeter. Length is the same 5 centimeter only. For top color 1.5 centimeter and the bottom 1.5 centimeter. So 1.5 plus 1.5 totally 3. In the 5 centimeter 3 gone, 3 less now, remaining this color 2 centimeter. This is called shoulder stripe. For guide wing, there is a membership badge, that is a patrol membership badge. Likewise here, this is a troop badge. Shoulder stripe is nothing but troop. Each and every troop will be given animal's name or bird's name. For that shoulder stripe we have to wear. Okay. Now let us see proficiency badges for Rajya Puraskar. Ambulance man is compulsory and in group A 3 and in group B 2. So totally 6 badges for Rajya Puraskar. See, ambulance man compulsory 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Totally 6 badges for Rajya Puraskar proficiency badge. Then what is it called? This is called Tritiya Sopan badge. No, not this one. When you are going to appear for the Rajya Puraskar test camp, that time here you have to stitch Tritiya Sopan badge. When you are going to Rashtrapati test camp, that time you have to remove Tritiya Sopan badge and you have to place Rajya Puraskar award badge. Then Rashtrapati proficiency badges, 3 badges, 1, 2, 3. Next, after receiving Rashtrapati award badge, you have to place here. So this place should be kept blank. Clear all of you? Now this is called Rajya Puraskar award badge. When you are appearing for the Rajya Puraskar test camp, in this place you have to stitch Tritiya Sopan badge. Okay. Next, let us see about patch packets. Left patch packet. See, this area pleat. This area is called pleat. And button. And this patch packet should be covered in this shape. Okay. Here, this is called membership badge, left patch packet. Membership badge should be placed on left patch packet. Then right side, Bharat Scouts and Guides stripe. This is called Bharat Scout and Guide stripes. Already I explained you. Above the right patch packet, leave a small gap. Okay, 1 thread or 2 thread gap and should be stitched. What is the size of Bharat Scouts and Guide stripe? 11 centimeter into 2 centimeter. 11 centimeter length and 2 centimeter width. Next, this one, World Scout badge. It should be placed on the right patch packet on the pleat. It should be placed on the right patch packet. World Scout badge should be placed on the right patch packet on pleat. So, now we have seen about patch packet. Next, for troop leader and assistant troop leader. What's the difference? What extra stripes we have to stitch? Left patch packet for troop leader. See, this one is troop leader's badge. It should be stitched above the left patch packet. And this badge is assistant troop leader's badge. Okay. Now see, this area is called pleat. Both the sides of the pleat 6 centimeters height and 1.5 centimeters width. Size stripes should be stitched for troop leader. And middle stripe, what is the size for that? See, from the button to the base of the packet. From the button to the base of the packet. This one for troop leader. Okay, assistant troop leader badge. The middle stripe, no need. Both the sides of the pleat should be stitched. Okay. Yes. Now let us see for the patrol leader. Left patch packet for the patrol leader. 2. There is no badge. Any badge for patrol leader. Patrol second. No any badge should be stitched here. The same side straps of the both the sides of the pleat. Side straps should be placed. The same measurement 6 cm height and 1.5 cm width. But for the patrol second, only one stripe should be there. Yes. Now let us see head dress. Head dress. See, official cap badge. Next, dark blue beret cap. Dark blue beret cap. Dark blue beret cap with the official cap badge supplied by the National Association. Okay. In case of sick people, a sick may wear a blue turban with the official cap badge. Sick people, instead of beret cap, they can wear blue turban and cap badge for both. That sick boys also and other person also, they have to wear official cap badge. And the head dress, that is cap and cap badge, is compulsory during ceremonies. Next, belt. What's the color of the belt? Grey Nylax belt with official buckle on the Bharat Scouts and Guides supplied by the National Association. What is the color of cap? Dark blue. What is the color of belt? Grey. Okay. And this belt should be inserted loop, pant packet loop. So how many loops should be there? 5 loops should be there. The grey belt should be inserted the belt. Inserted the loop of the pant. Next, about scarf. A scarf of the group color other than green, purple and yellow. What is the color of the scarf? Green, purple and yellow should not be there. Other than green, purple and yellow. One condition. Next condition, as approved by the local or district association. The color of the scarf should be approved by the local or district association. Shall be on round the neck. Shall be on round the neck and over the collar and over the shoulder straps. Shoulder straps. 2 things, over the collar and over the shoulder straps with the group woggle. Other than Gilwell Waggle. Understood? Here you have to note down color of the scarves. You have to avoid green, purple and yellow. And in case of Waggle, you have to avoid Gilwell Waggle. Okay. Next, the shape of the scarf shall be triangular. What is the shape of the scarf? It is triangular with a base and two sides. Each of the two sides shall have a minimum length of 70 cm and maximum length of 80 cm. See, this length should be 70 to 80 cm. Now clear now? The color of the scarf. What are the colors should be avoided? Green, purple and yellow. And what waggle? Gilwell Waggle should be avoided. What is the shape of the scarf? It is triangular. Clear? Next, lanyard and whistle. Grey color lanyard on around the neck with a whistle tucked in the left pocket of the shirt. This is the left pocket of the shirt. The scout is wearing lanyard around the neck, the whistle tucked in the left pocket of the shirt, and knotting rope of 3 meters of standard size shall be worn in the uniform. 3 meters rope also shall be worn in the uniform. Next thing, metal badge. A metal badge of the Bar Scouts and Guides may be worn when not in uniform, that is in mufti. When you are not in uniform, in mufti, when you are in mufti, you can wear a metal badge of the Bar Scouts and Guides. Okay, I think so now you are clear about the scout uniform. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.